I'm Basanta from Smart Tech Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to run Google Assistant on iPhone, or you can use Alexa. It's not pretty straightforward for Alexa, but Google Assistant you can run with Siri command. You can just say Siri, hey Google kind of things. So let's start on that. For that I need to turn off my video. This is the shortcut app on default iOS device, Apple iPhone or iPad. In that, you just need to create a shortcut and add action, application, Google Assistant, and then choose the hot keyword for the assistant. That's hey Google. So with that, now next tap on the three dot for the details, and you'll have to enable allow new shortcut to access assistant option, and you have to type some name over here. So with that you will be able to run this command using Siri action. And this button over here, this one is whether you want to show this shortcut in widget on the left most screen of your device or not. You can enable that to access from there also. With that, let's try this. From here, this is the assistant that I just created. It started here. Over here, and you can do from Siri also. Hey Siri, hey Google, how's the weather out? Yeah, that's how you can do. The sound is not heard because I connected it to the dock, so the sound is not out. Usually it comes with sound, so it doesn't, it's same as Google Assistant on your Android device or Google Home or anything. This is how you can access Google Assistant. There is another way you can access, but for that you need to tap on the microphone to run Google Assistant. I'll show you that one for Alexa. Same approach for Alexa, because for Alexa this default app option is not available at this point. Maybe later point it will come on, but at this point there is no Amazon Alexa app option from default screen, and I need to go from scripting, then I can open app from there, Alexa, and then if I go next, I'll have the option to put in widget just like before, and this is the shortcut name that I speak after Siri. So let's put it there, and then done. With that, this is the Alexa app. Now, hey Siri, Alexa. Now it opened Alexa, but notice that it didn't turn on the microphone icon in the bottom of the mobile screen. So for that you need to do it manually, because Alexa does not support at this point to direct integration from Siri, but Google Assistant does. So that's the difference between Google Assistant and Siri. But if you set up Google Assistant from this approach, you won't be able to access that microphone still. Let's try that again. Okay, next, ASSIST, next, done. This assistant is same as Google Assistant, but the icon is not visible here, and once you click on that it will open the Google Assistant, but it doesn't turn on the microphone by default. So that means you need to create this using the default remove this, create using default app over here. This on the first option there is apps. You can select from there assistant and then select the hot keyword. The other approach, you won't have option to select hot keyword. That's the problem. From here you don't have any option to select hot keyword. That's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and share my channel and videos, like my Facebook page, and don't forget to click on the bell icon next to subscribe button to get notified of my future videos. If you haven't watched my previous videos, go ahead and watch. Feel free to comment if you like to know something or have feedback for me. Until next video, have a good time. Bye bye.